Welcome to the vlog. Spend some time with me. This vlog will be here and there because I'm a little bit busy today, so bear with me. So here I am just washing my utensils. Please do watch the vlog to the very end. It's a slow afternoon for me, just at home. I'm just at home chilling. So I also have some orders for my business that I'll have to package later on and ship out tomorrow. So you see all of that. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So guys, I just started washing my vegetables right now. I have a lot of greens in here, so I'll just go ahead make my vegetables, then I'll cook them. I had bought them yesterday. They are a lot, so I'll just cook all of them because I don't want them to go bad, and I also don't have a fridge. They have a lot of soil in them, so I really have to rinse them thoroughly. So I'll take my time and just carefully wash all of them, stalk by stalk. I'm going to repeat washing it again just to be sure. So guys, right now that I'm already done washing the vegetables. I'll just sit down and cut them. This is the third lot that I'm cutting. Then after cutting it, I'll start cooking. Until they are golden brown, then I'll go ahead and put in my vegetables. I've already put salt in here. Guys, see, out of all that vegetables that I had cut, this is all that I have. They may shrink. They have shrunk. Is it shrunken or shrinked? They have reduced in volume, but they are super sweet. These vegetables are super sweet. I've tasted them. Nothing beats them. Just the right proportion of salt and oil. Everything looks nice. Serving time right now. I've already cooked. I have these it's called fulu in our mother tongue. That's Luo. I don't know how they're called in any other language, so I'll take my fulu, my greens, and some piece of ugali. all the right proportions, and this is the aftermath of me eating. There's my plate. So right now I'm going to start packing my order. The client had ordered 4 bonnets and 1 satin lined shower cap. So I'm just going into my bonnet bucket and I'm just ticking against everything that she had ordered, just to make sure I get everything right and that I package whatever it is that she had ordered without mixing up or omitting anything. Guys, if you'd also like to order a bonnet or a shower cap from me or a scrunchie, all my details, my business details will be in the description box, plus my WhatsApp contact number. So right now I'm just laying the foundation where I'm going to get content for my video that I'm going to post on my TikTok and Instagram. Usually just lay a white bed sheet over here, then I put these artificial twines, and that will be it. It will just form a lovely background which I'll use to shoot my content, my packaging content. And I'll go ahead and I'll just start packaging. So these are the items that the customer ordered. There's these, such lovely colors. So these are what I'm going to package, and I'll show you whatever it is I've packaged after all this. So stay tuned. Now I'm just packing everything. I've already done packaging my order, so I'm just tidying up the space. I'm just tidying up everything, putting back everything in its place. If you'd like everything from my shop, kindly let me know and I'll be able to deliver them to you wherever you are across the country. I'm in Kenya, specifically in Nairobi. My shop name is called Beyote Accessories. DM me or find my contacts in the description box and I'll be able to help you out. So yeah guys, that's it. Everything is set. This is my bag for tomorrow. Yeah, let me just sit down and maybe do 1-2 stuff. I'm too tired to check my inventory today. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll check stock tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'll also go fabric shopping. Yeah, I have to go for fabric shopping and make some bonnets and restock my shop. So right about now guys, I'm just writing my to-do list. I'm writing the things, a list of things that I'll buy tomorrow, that I'll need for my restock, and also some things that I'll get from the supermarket. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'll just go ahead, watch a movie on Netflix. There's a series that I'm watching. How is it called? Let me see. Love Never Lies, South Africa. It's really an interesting series. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, guys. And guys, tell me, how do you think I'm doing the vlogmas so far? It's the second day of the vlogmas and I feel challenged. It's a challenge to like keep being consistent. Thanks for watching guys to this point. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.